we are talking about inference serving of your workloads in Kubernetes and scale them using KEDA. Okay, so my understanding is that we will need some kind of GPU to run these workloads. If not, the thing is, as Chimbu has already mentioned, there are lots of scalars on KEDA that you can use in order to scale properly. So the thing is that you can do asynchronously submit to a queue, and then from the queue, based on the number of messages, scale your inference service to accommodate for the new load, or you can as well scale on the GPU resources that are left. So the thing is that if you are finding that you need more CPU power or something you need to scale based on you're reaching to the top of your GPU utilization, you might scale using but in order to do that, you might need to export the GPU metrics that are available or on your GPU to a place where KEDA the KEDA scalars can get those metrics. Okay, and the idea is that you have this GPU. GKE has a tight integration with NVIDIA, and the thing is that GKE offers that you can use and deploy another framework that can be used in order to expose the metrics that are on the GPU a bit directly. Okay, so that you expose the metrics, and then you can, with that metrics exposed, you can expose the metrics and send them to Google Managed for Prometheus. And once they're there on Google Managed for Prometheus, you can exploit those metrics from using the Prometheus scaler, which is a Prometheus query for a specific metric that you have on your GPU, the GPU available or the GPU usage, and scale at the same way that we are scaling with other KEDA frameworks, or just using the Google Cloud Stack Driver scaler. That's another thing that we can use. So the thing is that it will be both. One is there, and what is this? Is that the Google Managed for Prometheus? You can configure a Google Prometheus frontend, and from the Prometheus frontend, you can query directly cloud monitoring. Okay, or the other way around, you can use from KEDA directly the Cloud Stack Driver scaler and do the query in monitoring query language, which is different from PromQL that uses. But the thing is that the metrics will be both available in cloud monitoring. So the thing is that you can choose different ways to consult or to query those metrics, and for those one would be using directly the cloud monitoring, the stack driver scaler in KEDA with MQL, and the other would be put a Prometheus frontend, and the Prometheus frontend will be used for consulting cloud monitoring, and use that proxy from the Prometheus scaler and use PromQL to query the metrics, and then you will be able to scale based on that. Okay.